Imagine turning any design into a wearable work of art, fast, clean, and on demand. With our wide range of solutions, DTF printing becomes seamless. Today we'll walk through the full process of DTF printing with the Ricoh RI4000 and compare it with Mutoh ExpertJet 461UF UV DTF printing to help you choose the best method for your business. Step 1. The Ricoh RI4000 prints CMYK, then white ink as your underbase. Print up to 100 designs per hour. Step 2. Right after printing, the wet ink goes through a powder shaker. Adhesive powder is applied to the printed areas, while excess powder is shaken off, leaving adhesive only on printed parts. Step 3. The film is kept in a heating oven to melt and bind the powder into the ink. Step 4. Place the printed film onto your substrate. Use a heat press under controlled time and pressure. Step 5. Let the film cool down for a few seconds, then carefully peel the film from the substrate. The Mutoh ExpertJet 461UF prints full-color CMYK plus white plus varnish. Create stunning effects with embossed, glossy, and matte finish results. The Mutoh UV DTF printer is designed for 3D raised logos, not for a full t-shirt printing, while the Ricoh DTG printer can handle both small logo prints and full t-shirt designs, offering complete garment coverage. Whether you're customizing apparel or expanding to hard surfaces, the Ricoh RI4000 and the Mutoh ExpertJet 461UF gives you a streamlined, high-quality DTF workflow, making every print sharp, durable, and ready for business.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit textgraph.com.